What if I told you that you can make anywhere from $100 to thousands of dollars per hour for your business with TikTok Shop Live? Well, if you like how that sounds, where the fuck have you been? Because over the past year, TikTok Shop Live has helped me grow my TikTok Shop business to over 6,000 orders and has also helped me get thousands of orders on my Shopify website without spending a penny on ads. If that sounds like something you want to achieve, then you've come to the right video, because I'm going to give you the 3 keys to TikTok Shop Live that will help you blow up your business this year. All right, step 1, let's just set the basics and set the foundation to be able to have a successful live shopping experience. So if you're not familiar with how live shopping works, I suggest you go on TikTok today, just scroll through a little bit and interact with the first shoppable live that you see. Once you get on it, see how the seller interacts with the audience, what the comments look like, and how the whole thing works. Then as you scroll through your For You page, you're gonna get more and more shoppable lives that will give you a better idea of how things work. This is my strategy when it comes to setting up for the live. First, we wanna make sure the lighting is on point. You wanna have bright lighting that will allow you to showcase your products in the best way possible. Now, in my case, I don't have the best natural lighting, so I'll often employ a really bright light that you can just, get on Amazon, or a really bright ring light. Sometimes you might have to use multiple of these lights just to give that super bright experience so that customers, as they're scrolling through, you instantly grab their attention, because a super dark screen is going to make them scroll away faster than anything. Your environment is the key to success when it comes to shoppable lives. So you'll often see the more seasoned professional live sellers, they have a specific set for their live streams. Well, they'll have a specific neon light in the background. They'll have the rack with all the clothes. Now, as a beginner, you probably don't have a whole entire set. So as long as you make sure your lighting is on point, try to create as much of a vibe as you can during your live. And how I do this is by playing some cool music that matches the products that I'm selling, that matches the audience. Honestly, it's just the music that I like. It matches the music the audience likes, and it creates a very fun environment where people will sometimes just scroll and it'll cause them to stop or pause their scrolling on the For You page when they might hear a song they like. They might click into it and be like, all right, what's going on here? And then they'll kind of tune into the live, and it creates a more, I would say, just fun experience. There's less silent moments, because even if you pause for a second to maybe catch your breath, grab something, the music is still going on, so it's making sure that the live is still upbeat. You also want to make sure that your setup clearly displays your products. I'll often scroll on the For You page and I'll see live, especially affiliates or beginner sellers that are trying to experiment with TikTok Shop Live, and their products are nowhere to be seen. They're sitting in a dark room. They're sitting in like their chair. There's weird stuff in the background that's incredibly distracting. So if I was going on TikTok Shop Live right now, I wouldn't have this sort of background here. This is for YouTube. But if I was going on live, I would have all my products behind me, or I'll have the sweatshirts just sitting by me. I'll put, for example, I would even put them on the desk right there. And as I'm on the live, I'm interacting with my audience to make sure everyone is engaged, but I'm also showing the products in a different product every few seconds. So you want to make sure everything just keeps moving smoothly. There's no awkward pauses. You're not just sitting there. There's no music. You're not showing anything. It's just an awkward pause. You're just kind of like looking around your room, because oftentimes you'll find that the chat is not going to be going crazy for you with comments. So you often have to create conversation. Another key tip that I'll give you to make sure the live stays engaging is make a list. As a beginner, especially, make a list of different points that you want to touch on during the live. So I no longer do this, but when I first started out, I made 8 different points and I would recycle through these points. So point 1 to point 8. Point 1, for example, I talk about new releases. 2nd, discounts. 3rd, how long shipping takes. 4th, how this fit of our products is, so on and so forth. Once I would get to 8, if no one commented or no one tried to start a different kind of conversation, I just go up to the first step, number 1 topic, and run through that again. So now that we have our environment set up to create a fun, engaging, and lively live, let's go on to key number 2. You need to understand that live streams cause a very significant uptick in website traffic, and I have seen this repeatedly. Now, while other Shopify entrepreneurs are busy spending thousands of dollars on ads on Facebook and Instagram that are barely converting, you're just sitting there on live, generating hundreds or maybe see thousands of website visitors for free, while at the same time getting sales on your TikTok shop. To best take advantage of this website traffic, I'm gonna give you my strategy. Make sure first and obviously that you have your website link in your TikTok bio. For whatever reason, once people are on a TikTok shop live and they're interested in the products and they don't feel comfortable purchasing through TikTok shop, they will click on your profile and go into your profile. Once they're in your profile, you want to make sure that in your bio you instruct them that they can either order on your TikTok shop or below with an arrow pointing down to the link. And you'll see that many people, while you're on live, they're going to be clicking into this link and going onto your website. I'll pop up a screenshot here of the huge uptick in website traffic that I often see when I go on live. Now, a lot of these visitors are not going to convert to customers that same minute. However, many of them will convert to customers in the next week, 2 weeks, maybe even months, because they built up trust with you through the live shopping experience where they see you speak about the business, but now also you're going to get their email address. And this is how we're going to convert them to customers in the long term. So let me explain. And I'm not going to go too in depth into this because I have a free course down below that covers email and SMS marketing, but you're going to set up a pop-up form on your website. So as soon as customers click the link in your bio on TikTok, they head over to your website, they get a pop-up that incentivizes them with a 10% off discount to enter their email and their phone number. So even if they scroll through your website, they don't make a purchase, now you have their email, you have their SMS, and they're officially in your mailing list without you spending a penny on it. Now, as you further go down the line, you will be able to send them emails, you'll be able to send them SMSs with new releases and new discounts. But again, this is fully covered down below in the free course that goes much more into depth with email and SMS marketing. And key number 3 is we want to build trust and a community with our audience. Now, getting sales is amazing, getting followers is amazing, but there are very few businesses out there that put a face to the brand or a face to the products that they're selling. While you sit there on live and you speak with your audience and you answer their questions and you tell them how long shipping takes, something that I also like to do is show them all the packages that we packed and that we're about to go pack soon. It builds a deeper connection with your audience that most e-commerce businesses don't have. We're in a new era where you no longer very much walk into brick and mortar stores and talk to the shop owner and speak to the employees. Everything has become a lot more antisocial and distance. However, you can get the same exact experience from the comfort of your own home and from the comfort of the customer's own home. Some interactions that I love to have on lives when a customer has recently purchased and they'll just comment something on live like, oh, I recently just got the item delivered, I love it so much, and then I'll pin that comment. What do you think this shows to other people who kind of tap into the live? They'll see the pinned comment from a happy customer who's interacting with the business, who the business owner is grateful for and showing gratitude to. That is going to get them to, maybe they won't buy that same day, but they're going to build a certain connection with your brand that they don't have with the others. At least they might join your mailing list. At least they might follow. At least they might leave a positive comment that eventually creates a domino effect that will, at the end of the day, boost your business, grow credibility, and increase your sales and revenue totally organically. Imagine that over the past year and a half, I haven't spent a penny on ads, yet I've been able to get thousands of orders. And TikTok Shop Live has been one of the primary keys to this strategy of mine. So as you're sitting there on live, don't be afraid to get comfortable with your audience. Talk to them a bit more about the business, talk about upcoming releases, but also make sure you create a little bit of scarcity. I love doing this through live flash sales. So right before I go on live, I set up a live flash sale that starts right when I get on. I also try to complete some of TikTok Shop's growth missions that allow me to unlock coupons for my business fully backed and paid for by TikTok. So that once I'm on the live, not only do I have coupons that are actually running out because there's always a limited amount of them, but I'm also, the customers can see that the flash sale is going to end very soon because it's specifically for the live. Now this creates scarcity, and you want to keep pointing out this scarcity and also giving specific instructions to customers on how they can take advantage of this. You simply do this by saying, make sure you guys are clicking the cart in the bottom left-hand corner. The flash sale is going to be up right when this live ends. So make sure you place your order right now. We're going to get packed up. We're going to get it packed up right after the live ends. And we also have a bunch of $5 coupons for you guys that are also running out because they're just for the live. So make sure you grab your items. And you don't want to just keep saying buy over and over again, but every few seconds or every few minutes, you want to throw out this almost specific script that I just gave you to remind customers that they can easily purchase from the live. There's a quick sale going on, and that you prioritize customer care and fast shipping, because you're gonna get to pack in the items right after the live ends. So there you guys have it. That is my 3 keys to success with TikTok Shop Live. But remember, unless you go out there and apply these strategies, you're not gonna see any results. Success with e-commerce takes hard work, but also consistency. So thank you so much for watching this video. Down below, you will find a link to my free course that can guide you through more specifics for email and SMS marketing if you're interested, and a much longer guide to TikTok Shop Live as well, and just a whole bunch more content, hours of value for free. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.